Today I'm going to show you how to paint a very cute little dog. Okay, I'm going to put the location of the whole dog first on the paper. So say the tail over here. Now see how light I draw. I'm going to see the leg over here, the leg at the front. I'm going to see how the location for the whole dog. So don't rush into draw the details. So make sure the location is in the right place. Like this, and the dog like a little circle. Like that. I think the location I got it right. I'm happy with the composition. Just draw lightly, roughly, okay? I'm gonna add the ear over here, the dog look back, and like this, and a little fluffy ear. It's very interesting. And then the nose and the mouth in this location. The two eyes would be sitting in these locations. Like that. Okay, that's good. And this leg on this side, like that. Have another leg at the front, right here. And the tail, get up over here. I think that's good. And now, start from one point, connect to the face. That's good. Now coming to this side. Don't worry, I would have the line drawing for you to download if you need to download it. Follow my video to finish your drawing. Okay, the mouth. It's about here. Like it coming on this side, coming up over here, like that. And the nose is right in this location. The nose is a little bit darker, like that. And then the cheek. Now the eye, right over here. Okay, and look at the connection between this eye and between these two eyes is supposed to be in this angle. That's good. Okay, now the dog face is already finished. I'm gonna move this ear a little bit higher. Okay, now I'm gonna continue for the back and to draw a little bit softly like that. Move up a little bit and tilt it this way. So I'm gonna come back to the tails a little bit later. And first draw the back over here. And this leg. Like that. Little curve connect to this knee. And that's good. I'm gonna come to the front over here. And then the front leg, I think I'm going to have a little bit longer, like that. Okay, I'm going to draw the other one on the other side. That looks good. Now I'm going to draw this one. Now take a look at the belly. Like that. That looks good. Now come to the tail. Now the back over here, a little fluffy. Coming all the way to the top and then coming back over here. So there's the shadow side. A little bit darker. Like that. And also the back over here, it has the suggestions for the hair. That's good. And take a look here. I'm gonna divide this shape. So make it look like some fingers here. And there's a little bit on the back over here, a little bit curve. So that's good. And a little bit softer. So I can make this a little bit, look a little bit hairy, a little bit softer on the back over here. So the nose actually have two sides. One is on the top, one is the front. I will have this photograph for you to download. Just click on the link. You can download that. So you can come back to follow the videos and finish the drawing and then doing the watercolor painting. We're going to do that next. Okay, let's start the painting. I'm using this small calligraphy brush. First, I'm going to put the lighter color and then I'm going to add the colors. I'm going to take the yellow color first. And the yellow color plus the red color. And now this looks like an orange color, right? But this color, put it close to the brown color that we try to get. Now add the blue color. I'm going to put the blue color here. First, I'm going to take the orange color over. You see that? That's already become a little bit warmer. Now, this color almost there. But I'm going to add a little bit more yellow color. So, here you go. Now, mix it together. Now, perfect. Now, I'm going to a little bit more red. And that's good. Now, let's start on the face. I'm going to add a little bit more red color. I have some red color here. So, I'm going to take the red color and mix it into it. That's good. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna have that. There's quite a bit of water in my brush, and now the color pretty wet on the paper. I'm gonna have it a little bit, and on the face I'm gonna have a little bit lighter, and the nose area a little bit darker, like that. So the color has dark and light, and that's called value, and that's good. Now I'm gonna have just the clean brush with the water and just lift it up a little bit, so make that look a little bit lighter. So I'll come back a little bit later for that. So I'm gonna continue. Oh, I'm gonna have more of the brown color. Now here you go. Now put it on the body and then on the tail, like that. I'm gonna get more red color mixed in here. That's good. Now I'm gonna have more yellow color, and here you go. A little bit more red. That's good. And I get a little bit of this color mixed in, so that's good. Now here you go. Now putting on the leg. I'm gonna leave a little white. Actually, looks like the shoe, the bottom of the leg over here, like that. That looks good. I'm gonna continue coming over here. Leave a little bit. So this dog has a little white shoes. Okay, the front. Now what I want, I'm just going to remove all the water. Coming over here, says softly, let it connect a little bit lighter at the front. And also you can lift up the color, make it a little bit lighter. And I'm going to get rid of this color and make it a little bit lighter. That's good. Okay, now I come back to the face. And I'm gonna get a little bit the red, and with this color. Now it looks very, very dark. I'm gonna get a little bit more yellow color in together. So I'm gonna put this right on the face. This is called wet into wet. And let the color actually merge together. That's fine. Okay, on the body over here, I'm also going to, this is a little bit too wet together. So I'm gonna just on the body, I'm gonna just put a little bit darker color on the top, like that. Let it wet together. Add to the shadow area. So I'm gonna get a lot of blue color. So I'm gonna mix into the red color, quite a bit of red together. You see that this color really dark, and that's good. I'm gonna have a little dark color over here, and the bottom. You see that we have the shadow side of the tail. Very nice. Now I'm also going to be on the ear over here. See that showing the ear curving. And let's see this ear, like that. And then coming to the eye, I'm gonna just add the mark to showing as the eye. Also this mark showing as the eye. And now the nose. And this side is a little bit darker. And I'm going to use a little bit more brown color. I'll take this a little bit brown color and just add a little bit this dark color, and together. Now we're going to come back to outside the face here. I'm going to add a little bit darker color to showing this is to catch the shadow because of the face blocking the light. And now it's your turn, and I hope you have fun. Also, I'd like to hear from you. What kind of animal or object that you like to paint next?